we have a couple of students with our class. They are going to introduce themselves and they are going to talk about what is VPN.
I am Sanjana from First Cybersecurity and they are my colleague friends. In the topic of VPN, Virtual Private Network, they are going to have a little debate. She is Abhinaya and she is Archana. They will proceed.
Now, Abhinaya, what is VPN?
VPN, the full form of VPN is a Virtual Private Network. It is a technology. It creates a connection between the device and VPN. It is a secure and encrypted connection. The devices like computer, laptops, mobile phones, VPN is used to browse information, secure and encrypted information. Then, what about the applications of VPN?
Now, application is a security of a public Wi-Fi and it is secure to sharing the files of P2P. It means a peer-to-peer sharing. Okay? And enhance of it online privacy. Now, what are the common types of VPN?
There are three types in VPN. First one is personal VPN, business VPN, free VPN. Personal VPN is for an individual user to secure information data, private information data. And second one is business VPN. Business VPN is for companies to secure their network and data. And third one is free VPN. So there are some free VPNs and there is some limitations and collective user data. What are the advantages and disadvantages of VPN?
Yeah. The advantages of VPN can log in from anywhere and it's safe access to the files on over public networks. It means that the public network can share the files through using the Wi-Fi because it cannot be touched by anyone and it is a very low operational and maintenance cost. If we have a small how you can say, we can have a low percentage of sharing the files. It means you never ask any cost of the particular file sharing. Okay, and then advantages is completed. The disadvantages of VPN is full access cannot be limited. It means full access cannot be accessed by any of the persons over to the public and low bandwidth. It means bandwidth means is a wavelength of a VPN. Okay, and high speed of a VPN we have used. It needs some particular cost forward. Thank you.
Hope you understood what is VPN. They have given a clean explanation regarding what is VPN, where it can be used, what are all the benefits, what are all the disadvantages, and where it was applied. So far, we doesn't have an awareness of what is VPN. What is VPN? Anybody can? Virtual? Private? Okay, fine. As the name implies, network is a huge number of computers was getting connected or pooled into a single component, where we call it as a server. The VPN is going to act as an individual personal server where we are going to get connected to all over the world with the computers. We are going to provide the source of information from the place wherever we are. It is not the place, it was a protected one. Say for an example like Google, the Google server is somewhere else in the world where they are providing the source of information from only one server. But we are going to make our own personal computer as a server and the other system whichever getting connected towards the personal computer is a client. The server client technology deals with the network where we are going to communicate from one system to another. That is, whoever is providing the information is called a source, whoever receiving the information is called a client. What might be the greatest advantage and disadvantage of providing the source and that is the client and server technology is only one machine is going to act as a master. Only one machine is going to act as a master, whereas the other source of that is receiving machines are known as a client or a slave. greatest advantage of this VPN? This we are making an individual system where she can able to act as a master or she can able to act as a master, where others is going to act as a client. In the case of the network, only the masterpiece is going to be there in somewhere else and they are going to provide the control over all the systems. Here we are making the system as a masterpiece. Is it clear? Is it clear? The benefit, the greatest benefit is we are not going to integrate one computer as a master always. We are going to make whoever is going to provide a source of information is going to be a master. That private machine is going to act as a server machine where it gets the control over all the clients whoever it is getting connected to the masterpiece. Say for example, a small example is given when we connect with the Bluetooth. Whichever the computer or whichever the mobile phone is getting connected with as a Bluetooth is going to provide the information towards the other machine whichever getting connected. Where the other machine is not going to send any information, where it is going to only receive the information. That's what they have said with the what is VPN, what are all the advantages of VPN, where the applications of VPN are used, and all the scenarios was discussed so nicely by these students. Please give them an applause. Students with the knowledge of the new trends and technology can able to survive. That was the ultimate aim. The syllabus whatever you had, the curriculum whatever it was designed is not enough for survival in the computer era. Okay, so try to understand what are all the new technologies was there exist at the time of your education, or it might be a new technology whatever it was introduced in the surroundings. You have to adapt it and you have to use it. Thank you. Thank you.